Hello everybody, this is Elena Spicer, and today I wanted to show you my new junk journal that I made for myself for the month of June. It turned out a little bit larger than I planned. I didn't measure something quite right and ended up with a really wide spine. It's 9.5 centimeters or 3 3/4 of an inch. So we'll see how it goes, but judging by how fat my previous junk book got, this might just work out for me. Either way, I don't have a closure on it yet. I want to see first how big it gets and then decide on the type of closure I'm going to use. But I just wanted to show you a flip through before I started doing too much in it. So it's just using not flannel, I think yes, flannel fabric on the outside. There's interfacing in between, and this is just cotton fabric, and then there's a lace pocket here. And then I used a combination of scrapbooking papers and hand-colored papers. So this is just my title. This is from a printable kit and a sticker that I thought matched really well, the colors here. And then I already started working in it, so this is my June 1. And since I haven't been doing this on a daily basis like I really wanted to, I've just been collecting daily ephemera, and I've been keeping it in this bag, and I would try to write journaling on post-it notes and then clip any ephemera that I wanted to save. So I have a bag full of this, but the nice thing is that since I have been writing journaling on the post-it notes, I'm just going to attach the post-it notes. And then, yes, on the second page there's more journaling and a shopping list here. And so this, I started scrapbooking paper, coffee stained printer paper, then mixed media paper that I colored on, not colored, painted, or printed using a jelly print, and then coffee stained paper again, scrapbooking paper, and then just for some added interest, I used some moth printables to kind of go with what on the front of the journal, and printed some journaling pages. And also I just wanted to separate the central paper so it's not all the same pattern. And then this is just the other side. Yeah, so I just wanted to quickly flip through and show you what the journal looks like before I started working in it. I've done too much to it. I know I keep saying it all the time, but I tend to make my journals pretty simple, and then I do all the decorating as they go along. I want to create some clusters for this journal, maybe little elements that I can put here and there, not just like daily junk and photos. So we'll see what I will create, but I've been really busy at work and I just haven't had many chances to work on this journal. And I honestly, I'm not even finished with May one yet, but I have a few pages left to finish, and when I do, I will definitely do a full flip through of that. But yeah, so I'm just following the same pattern as far as the order of pages and types of pages. I do like all the vintage papers that people are using and sheet music and things like that, but I just don't have any stores near me where I can purchase these things, and so I'm just using what I have. And I happen to have a lot of scrapbooking paper, and then I like mixed media art, so I like painting or printing papers as well. But this is pretty much my journal, and I will do some process videos as I'm working in this. And then same fabric on the back. It does lay pretty flat, which is nice. It's a nice thing about soft cover journals. And I will just keep you updated on this, and I will record some process videos as I continue working in it. Hope you having a good week and a nice summer. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you soon. Bye.